All right, this is the new Fastpack grill. And you can see that the package is exactly the same size as the Pathfinder haversack. And it will actually fit either in the top lid pocket just perfectly of that haversack, or you can slide it down inside the haversack if that's what you choose to do. But it will fit either way. It'll go all the way down to the bottom if that's the way you choose to carry it. Or you can just put it in your backpack, all right? But it's designed to be that size for a reason, because it's designed to fit our grill rack, which also fits this haversack perfectly. When you buy it, it will come with this Cordura sleeve, okay? So the way this works is, this is a US made product, and it's made to work with our larger grill rack. Now this one's been used and abused, and it's the prototype, so yours will look a little better than this, obviously. But the way this works is you have 2 sets of 14 gauge steel legs here that nest inside each other like this. And you just put the slots in like that, and then you have a V channel here. And you drop this one in the same way from the other direction, just like this. And now, once you put your grill on top of that, it's got tabs there to kind of lock your grill in place so it doesn't slide around on you. Just like that. It's got tabs here, 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 and here, so that it holds on to the grill. And you can put this on here about any way you want to, really. The tabs will grab it some way so that it won't move on you, okay? But you have vent holes in the bottom on both sides, so that you now have a grill that you can get your fire up off the ground, and you can build your fire inside this grill box and use your existing rack. We'll also sell a version of this that comes with the rack in case you don't already have one. But it's a very, very simplistic system. It comes apart very, very easily. It's heavy gauge steel, so you're never going to destroy it. And it just fits together like that. It goes in the Cordura sleeve. And then you're ready to cook, okay? Once you get that dude tucked in, it's a very simple sleeve with just a flap that tucks in. Nothing fancy, but it is 1000 Cordura, okay? All right, I had to put a sled over top of this because it's raining out here, but I've never let that stop me before, and I ain't gonna let it stop me now. This is a biofuel stove, okay? So you don't need big giant pieces of material in here. You just need to build yourself up a little coal bed in the base of this thing to cook with, and you're good. The advantage of these type stoves, other than the fact that you get your fire up off the ground, is obviously that you are using small, manageable pieces, and it's very fuel efficient. And that's one of the important things about these stoves. So we'll get this coal bed built up, and then we'll be ready to cook. We got our initial kindling down. Now we're gonna use this stuff as our fuel. And I've had that steak sitting out for about 30 minutes. So it's cool, but it's not cold to the touch. All right, we're gonna come in here and just add a little bit of fuel to this. And a lot of people would say there's never a reason to baton your knife. Well, this is my disagreement to that right here. When you're trying to make little ones for a bio stove like this, out of pieces that are bigger, is the perfect time to baton your knife. I'm not saying you should abuse your knife. I'm saying your knife should be capable of taking it if it needs to. But stuff like this is the perfect reason to baton a knife, to give yourself small pieces for a bio stove. I'm gonna amp this fire up a little bit so we can sear the steak. All right, once we get both sides of this seared, then we're just going to let the coals die down, let it cook the rest of the way. Look at that. Thing is looking like a money shot. We're getting somewhere now. This thing's almost done. Looking real, real good. Nice and seared on the outside, still juicy. Inside's gonna be beautiful on this thing. Let's see what we got going on here. This dude off the grilling onto the cutting board. There's a piece for you, Zon. You're gonna have to let it cool down though. That ain't ready for you yet. Man, when you look at that thing, it is just absolutely perfect on the inside. Old Zon's like, yeah, Dad, it is perfect. Come on. There you go, buddy. All right. Oh, man. Holy cow. Woo-wee. That thing is awesome. Golly, that thing's awesome. Man, look at that thing. Golly. Zon, you don't need to be such a pig, buddy. That thing is picture perfect. Here's a piece on the corner for you, buddy. Golly. I hope you enjoyed this little time out here at the Pathfinder School classroom, cooking a steak on the new Fastpack grill. This Fastpack grill is going to release Tuesday of next week. So today being a Sunday video, Monday, Tuesday it will release at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. You can get your Fastpack grill at selfrelianceoutfitters.com. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for school, for family, and for business. All of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, and I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.